Hey, what's up everybody? Today's video, I'm at my in-laws and we're going to apply some weed and feed to their side yard here. It's been inundated with clover in their St. Augustine. So we're gonna go ahead and do some weed and feed, try out this brand from Walmart. It's Expert Weed and Feed for southern lawns. We're gonna try that out and see how it works, and we'll do a follow-up video in a couple weeks. Check it out. So this is that weed and feed that I was talking about from Walmart. It is a 29-0-10 weed and feed for southern lawns, including St. Augustine. If you check the bag, it's 16-pound bag for 5,000 square feet. There's all the information on the spreader settings, etc. Obviously, you need to water it in. The active ingredients are there. Not really sure what those are, but we're gonna try it out, give it a whirl, and see how it goes. So when you're trying to figure out how much product to put down, you want to know your square footage, obviously, like I've mentioned in some of my other videos. And then second to that, you want to figure out how much product is supposed to go down per 1,000 square foot. That's typically the easiest way to do it. That means we're gonna have to go and do a little math. So when we do our math, we take our 16 pounds of product divided by 5 because the product treats 5,000 square feet, and that comes out to 3.2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. We're gonna take that number, 3.2, multiply it by our square footage, which is 1,700 square feet. So we make that 3.2 times 1.7 because it's already per 1,000. So times 1.7, and that'll come out to about 5.44 pounds of product required for our 1,700 square foot side yard. We will apply 5 pounds today and follow up in a couple weeks and check the results. That completes today's episode. Like I mentioned earlier, we will do a follow-up and see how this Expert Weed and Feed affected this yard. It says it treats clover. Let's test it out, see if it treats the clover. Like I said, this yard is a mostly St. Augustine yard, and it's just had a lot of winter weeds come through, a lot of clover and some other stuff that came up, and we're gonna try to knock it out before it gets too hot. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. We will do a follow-up soon.